Hello, River. My name is Justin. And after watching your video and your question of asking what else is important in a job offer beyond the salary, I think that this article fits that question pretty well. It starts off here by saying I'm of the belief that there's more to a job than just a paycheck. Um, so I think that starts off by answering the question or getting into the topic that you've asked pretty well. I'm more so agreeing to that as well. The first thing they say is talking about the company and office culture. Consider carefully the type of company that you like to work for and the type of team you like to be a part of. This is considering if you like working in a small office, a larger unit, or if the company's mission statement and their goals align with your own values. I think that is an important aspect to consider in a job offer and the company that's offering you the job. The second one is pretty big for myself. It's the opportunity for growth and professional development. Consider the benefits of attending conferences, participating in professional development seminars, and even pursuing an additional degree or certificate program. I think that this could be like a lot at first if you're just beginning the job, but I think over time there should be a lot of opportunity for growth through various things like this article has mentioned. The third one that they talked about is location. They referenced a personal experience where they commute at least an hour each way, which doesn't seem like much right now. But then they talk about how it got old and the pay didn't really make up for it. Personally, I have considered a job offer that's been a little over an hour commute for myself. And I didn't think it was bad at first, but I talked myself out of it because I know it would get old. The fourth one that they talk about is the comprehensive benefits package. Most employers offer, I think, pretty much basic benefits. I think they're pretty standard. I think some may have extra perks that are like described in the weekly slides, but I think they're, for the most part, pretty standard. But I think they're an important aspect to consider. And then the fifth one is transferable skills. I had never really thought about this one, but I think it's pretty important to consider when you're prepping, I guess, for the future, maybe switching jobs or whatnot. I think of the skills that you learn in the job, how applicable will they be if you did change jobs, and how will you be able to take those skills and use them more than just in the job setting or your next job offer that you receive. So I think all of these are pretty important aspects to consider when considering a job.